Hey, what's up? How's it going? So we're gonna put on some lashes, some strip lashes today. Actually, I really love these ones. They're Ardell Wispies. They're the Demi Wispies. They look like this. I like how they have a slight little angle in here. So it kind of gives you a little bit of a wing. And then you're gonna need some scissors and some tweezers. Okay, so first before we put them on, we're gonna take one off. I like to use my tweezers. And then we're just gonna lay it on our lash line just to make sure it fits. Sometimes these might be a little too long for the shape of our eye. I'm gonna move this in a little bit. Wow. Okay, those look nice. Those look like they'll fit. And so this gap right here, when you get this little corner down, it will lay better. And then I just like to put some eyeliner right there to help fill that line. But that looks like it's gonna fit. And you're gonna need some glue. I love this glue. Is it upside down? Yep. That guy. I actually prefer the dark one as opposed to the lighter one. This one dries clear, but the other one dries black, which I prefer. But I don't have that one right now, so here we go. Just a little bit on your, well, I mean, not a little bit, but you know, just want to line the base. A lot of people like to let this dry so it can get a little tacky, so we'll wait. Do. Okay, here comes the hard part. Breathe. So the trick is, I don't want you guys to see at my nose, but you really do have to like tilt your head back, so then your eye is more closed and loose instead of like this, because then all your skin gets all crunched up, and it's not gonna go on your eye well at all. So you want to have your eye like relaxed, and so this is the best way for it to get on yourself. So just try to lean your head back. I'm trying to use not see my nose so bad. Sorry, any boogies? Clear? Okay. All right, we'll go like this. Ooh. Use the side of your little tweezer. And then I'm gonna try to grab onto this corner too, but I'm gonna lay it. Just on the base of the lashes. Guys, how much do I love you? I'm allergic to this glue, and I'm putting them on and my eyes are already watering. So it's normal if you have like the corner stick a little bit as it's drying, just let it dry. Don't do anything yet. Just let them chill. Okay. Second guy, we're putting him on. So because I'm right-handed, I'm just holding on to the same corner, or different corner, but the right side of this. And I'll just have to use my finger, because for me to do it opposite like this is gonna be real difficult. You guys like my nail job? I painted my nails, but this is leftover gel. Quarantine life. Okay, here we go. Wow, what an adventure. Okay. So now these guys have gotten tacky. Looking good. Just pinching that corner down so they can match better. Sometimes these little guys might stick in the corner, so you just take like your mascara wand or your tweezers and just separate them a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Ooh, little glue. Boy. These would look better if my eyes weren't watering, but you know. There you go. Oh, and my nose. Honestly, this is the best glue. Duo is the best. My body just doesn't like it, so. I still use this, but I end up doing these individuals instead on myself because the glue doesn't bug me when it just sits on my lashes and not on my skin. But there you go, a little extra flair. Wish I was going somewhere special today. Quarantine life. But yeah, I hope that's helpful. Then I just take a little bit of my cream liner. This one is Jet Set. It's deep black. We're just gonna do a little fill that in. Okay, so easy way to take these off is just a warm washcloth, and you just like gently massage, or you can just kind of grab a little corner and peel them off. Yeah. There we go. If they're really stuck on there, warm washcloth. and they'll come off very easily. But not to say they're not waterproof, because if you're gonna cry during a wedding, they'll stay on. Don't worry. Just don't rub your eyes. Like, easy. So yeah, I hope that helps, and have fun. Don't worry. It takes a little bit of practice, and sometimes one eye will turn out great, and then your other eye, for some reason, is always the problem eye. But good luck. I think you can do it. And if you have any questions, write a little comment for me. I'd love to help you out, okay?